Gen.Muhoozi, my boss, tutandikirewa olutalo lw'okutereeza emitima gy'abantu naddala bakoseddwa tutandikirewa.
Obunkenke bweyongedde mu State House. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni takyabitegeera. Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba bamuvuddemu banne bennyini balabye nga byakola ebyadala tebiriyo ebiriwa ogenda kubeera nga obyerabirako ebya Dr. Kizza Besigye. Oh my God, temulowooza tebiguluddewo. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi ekubibwa ku meeting Donald Trump at the end of this month. Video njaga tujuwa obudde ogenda kubeera nga obyerabirako byonna mbe njogerako mu maaso awo. Gwatanaba kubeera nga ogimpereka like, chimpereka like esobola okubeera nga etambula, gwatanaba kubeera nga osubscribinga nawe subscribinga awo bwegate ku mukutu gwaffe guno. Olunaku olwaliro nga bwe nkugambye banne bennyini batandise okubeera nga bamuvaamu mba ntegeeza Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba bagamba nti no byali mu kukola ebyadala tebireflectinga image ya taata we omukulu Museveni mu biseera bye yali musajja mulungi nnyo era nga ayinamu kali aka humanity naye kati ono mutabani we, oh my God, what he is doing is satanic era tebagenda kubeera nga bakola ki bakikkiriza. Imagine mukwano gw'enfanfe avuddeyo namutabukira. Soko muwulirize kati nnyo tumanyi tuyongereyo n'ebirala mu maaso awo. Nkugambye video agiwa obudde.
Tutandikirewa mu kaseera kano Uganda ng'eri mu budde obw'olweggulo, obudde obw'okunoonya obukulembeze obunaatwala ate Uganda emyaka 45 mu maaso. Tutandikirewa okuza emitima gy'abantu naddala balumiziddwa. Tutandikirewa okutunda values zaffe ne principles mu bantu. Tutandikire ku ki? Ffe nga ffe abakkiririza mu mirembe n'omukubeera n'abantu bonna wamu. Tutandikirewa nga naddala Uganda eri mu budde obw'olweggulo mu ssaawa ey'akazigizigi. Tutandikirewa kubanga oba oli mu gavumenti oba oliwa olina okukitegeera nti tuli mu evening hours where we twetaagira obukulembeze obunaza emitima gy'abantu, obukulembeze obunaakulembeza okwegerezeganya n'abo abalumiziddwa, kyewandiise dialogue, obukulembeze obw'okusonyiwagana. Ssebo mukama wange tutandikirewa nga tetulaba kusonyiwa okugenda mu maaso, nga tetulaba kwogerezeganya n'abo abasobeza. Tutandikirewa okulaba nti bino ebigenda mu maaso ebimu oba oluusi ebitasanyusa abantu abasinga mu ggwanga tubyogeddeko ate ne tubijjako ne tubeera wamu mu mirembe naddala mu ssaawa bweziti ez'olweggulo, essaawa embi ez'okutegeka obukulembeze obunaasikira Pulezidenti Museveni. Tutandikirewa mu kaseera bwe kati. Ssebo mukama wange Gen.Muhoozi, tutandikire ku ki era twogere ki era abantu tubabuulire njiri ki enaabakomyawo nga tetuze mu kulwana, okwetema n'okuyiwa omusaayi. Tutandikirewa bwe tuba nga tetukulembeza kusanyuwagana n'okutegeeregana n'okuwuliriza sayidi zonna. Tutandikirewa ssebo wawe tuba tulina okutandikira awanaatuleka nga ffenna tubeera wamu mu mirembe, mu bukulembeze ne mu Uganda yaffe. Tutandikirewa okulaba nti bino ebintu tebigenda mu maaso, okuttingana. Tutandikirewa mu kaseera bwe kati Uganda nga yeetegekera transition. Tutandikirewa
Bagambye the international community nyivu eri omukulu Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Nkugambye njagala osooka owuliriza Bannakenya nabo beegasse ku Bannayuganda. Nze simanyi na kumanya njagala musooke mulabe ono opposition leader owa Kenya yayagala nnyo His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi kati wanaabwangula obuyinza. President Museveni abatawedde mumbulirawo mu comment section kubanga ayagala nnyo His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi era Robert Kyagulanyi era olumero we. Njagala osooka owuliriza Bannakenya nga bakiza kubeera nga basaidinga ne His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi mu kubanja ba political prisoners nga ba Dr. Kizza Besigye, ba Obed Rutale n'abalala ab'e National Unity Platform, Edmutwe, Alex Wesa Mufumbiro n'abalala. Video soko girabe otubulirize mu comment section. Do you think these Kenyans have an impact on Gen.Muhoozi Kainerugaba and the father or not?
Viva Kenyans, viva! Viva! Viva Uganda, viva! Viva! Free Besigye, free Besigye.
Free Besigye.
Free Erias Lukwago.
Free Erias Lukwago.
So my names are Julius Kamau Kimani, human rights defender, and we are here because I feel bad, I feel sad about Uganda, about this case. It's so terrible, it should never have happened in the first place. And so I continue reading the statement. On 15th June, so I'm reading the case of Erias Lukwago, armed abduction, enforced disappearance, and basement torture. On 15th June 2026, heavily armed personnel reportedly belonging to the Special Forces Command of the Uganda People's Forces, UPDF, forcibly entered Mr. Lukwago's residence in the Wakariga neighborhood of Kampala and moved him without a warrant of explanation. And for more than 48 hours, his whereabouts remained unknown. Gen.Muhoozi, Chief of Defense Forces, is reported to have ordered the operation and subsequently published a series of posts on social media publicly claiming responsibility for Mr. Lukwago's capture, including photographs showing him blindfolded, stating that he had been taken to his basement and issuing explicit threats against his physical safety. Furthermore, Mr. Lukwago's family has reported that he was severely beaten and subjected to physical trauma while held entirely incommunicado. Thank you.
Viva, comrades, viva.
Viva.
Free Besigye, free.
Free.
More power to the people of Uganda, more power.
More power.
My name is Elisha Ochieng Alam, a human rights defender here in Kenya. And in solidarity with our brothers in Uganda, we are here to read this statement. The charge sheet of Dr. Kizza Besigye, an airtight indictment of state lawlessness. Beyond the humanitarian emergency, serious questions are now being raised about credibility and internal consistency of the prosecution on evidence. Recent defense analysis identify multiple contradictions within the state principal witness statements, including conflicting timelines concerning alleged meetings in Geneva, inconsistent accounts surrounding the alleged Kisumu event, and chronology that appears incompatible with public document event. These issues go directly to the liability of the prosecution's central narrative and reinforce the urgent need for independent judicial scrutiny before lives are irreparably lost in custody. As articulated by prominent legal defenders, including Advocate Isaac Christopher Lubogo, the Museveni-Muhoozi military apparatus has completely discarded the facade of constitutional state. The regime is operating in direct criminal violation of both domestic founding laws and international treaties. Defiance of APEC judicial power. The regime continued to hold Dr. Besigye in total defiance of the January 31st, 2025 Supreme Court of Uganda ruling, which explicitly ordered his release. This open executive defiance violates Article 126, Section 1 of the Constitution of Uganda, which affirms that judicial power is derived from the people. The continued detention, despite the Supreme Court ruling, coupled with growing questions surrounding the prosecution evidence, has further eroded the confidence in the independence and integrity of Uganda's justice system.
My name is Sayelel Manguyo. I'm a Pan-African and a human rights defender. So, the inflicting unconstitutional and derogable torture by keeping a feasible failing Dr. Besigye and Lord Mayor Erias Lukwago in a toxic prison condition. While denying the medical care, the state is violating Article 23, 24, and 44 of the Uganda Constitution. Those articles protect non-derogable rights and strict prohibit any form of cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment. Operating defiant illegal military courts, the Supreme Court's landmark ruling explicitly declared that civilians can no longer be tried by military court under Article 28, Clause 1 and 210, because the military tribunals have zero legal jurisdiction over civilian, any prior or ongoing military charges against Dr. Kizza Besigye are illegal and void. His holding is no longer a legal process. It is a lawless executive hostage situation. Violation of the UN Mandela rules by actively blocking Erias Lukwago's medical evacuation to India and keeping Besigye under hostility military lockdown. The junta is direct violation of Rule 27 of the United Nations Standard Minimum of Rules for the Treatment of Prisoners, the Mandela Rules, and Article 16 of the Africa Charter on Human Rights and People Rights, which mandate the immediate transfer of illegal detainees to specialized medical institutions. Those obligations exist irrespective of the charges faced by detainees and require authority to preserve life and dignity while legal proceedings continue. The targeted destruction of the legal defense to ensure opposition.
Alright, omukyalo oyo gwe mulaba ku screen yammwe yavaayo n'alabisa His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi n'amugamba nti no talina lugendo mu Western Uganda olunaku olwaleero abakiga kye bamukoze bamutabukire. Vidi njagala osooka ogiwulirize gwe Munnayuganda ali eyo vidiyo eri mu Lunyankole naye kyemanyi osobola okufuna omuntu akuvunulira ate okyemanyi ojja kunyumirwa. Ojja tegeerera ddala nti nebyadala His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi ne Bobi Kyagulanyi they have really stimulated, they have really sensitized Ugandans. Tewakyaliwo balimbo abasoga tebategeera, Abanyankole tebategeera, Abaganda kino na kino nedda ssebo buli omu amanyi buli kimu ekigenda maaso mu ggwanga Uganda. Just abamu basirifu, abamu just lwakuba bakyafunamu akasente mu gavumenti tebanatuuka kukola ki okwogera mazima. Njagala osooka owuliriza ono naye nga abayisaamu eggaali aba NRM era alabudde SP oyo Senior Presidential Advisor yavaayo n'alabisa His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi. Sooka owulize otukulebezewe mu comment section naawe.
Nakuteera hands down ekyo nyina ngu okimanye ku lugerizo nango bakabikiza mukabanza mwalaba mu mwagambira abantu bimurikwenda kubakorera nkabamemba ba parliament wanyetegereza Bobi Kyagulanyi nabasa kwebicoeka 9 haliga niwe ihe 0.00%. Ekyo nyina ngu nkikukakaseje mukabu muwaine wenyine because ntungamo eji omwana ogwo agizalirwe ekyo kugira ngo akashorwe mu eshongozi it is not hard fault because mukama niko yakitebekanise ngo kibe kityo konka kandi yomba kugira ngo nonda kwereka ngo akumanye dini munonga no singa na faza hati nico kimwe ncoreje nkikutera waza social media mitimbagano abana binja baramuntu bahera peace rugamba abaramuntu bamutera mu bituri abaramuntu basibana abantu bagira ngo ibintu butambi bwaye bwa nudes ngo baramuntu baza kubururizinga ebyo tukugira ngo nangwa no butambi buri baramuntu bagamba that message kugira ngo bagite ko public bajakire kuwaye byamene no mushija ubutambi bwawe umujire bushangwa abana babwine aka video niza akakwere ko mucyari munagamba konka ari kurugankai omwisho abana benyine abaramuntu batera peace bona bakomoka nkai bakomoka muri ntunga nizarwa za ntungam bine ngungu nekiniga bwa nyuma yo kureba butambi no kwabe na mobilizing. So mode of mobilization no rakinga cyangwa munonga peace. Ebe byahwira karuwa kaba MP manyaba manya ABCD ikabere wave kandi abantu mwija mwabakwata mwashanga already barya boro batine nigana batine cyo gukora wabakinga katambara misho bakutamburira cyo wabagambire by then konka yaka yaka abantu liyale babiri bataka basa kutamburira bigambo bya 100% pulire nguhine na services zimubena mu ikoshanga muntu mwenda kugura karore mitwari 10 manyango mitwara 2 kujya kugiherezo muntu umwe ngwazo mugongo gwa LC1 chairman nanka you can imagine. Instead kugira ngo oije oine message nungi munonga yoretira abantu instead oromuno kozesa government resources omumulingo gutarigwe ngo manipulating mind yo munyankole ngwaza na washitama kwikiriza kurikiza kibe kitakabasika Mushati no yebuza kampo ine sento ine na budget ya President Museveni ahabwenshi baterere ba independence haza wajire hwarye jo seru yenyine okamobilizing okarondera erusogo wa flaga beara karuru abantu bakanga kurikiza bakagumiza bakahereza independent bakasigaho wa flaga ibico tukibuza why So naba bana baramuntu bakutera social media nabo basasire nenzarwa za ntungamo ne bamanya what ntungamo is ne bamanya ko values zo munyankore ne bamanya to ka leta packaged message eri kuba eri contrary ne kibaru kwicererezamo umuba kurikiza. That is why government ine kuba netaho uburyo bwona okurebeka ngo abantu berabe ne leta ha ground abantu abe banze bahandikira bibaragambe then bo baba ryabagambe baronje muko shohoze rigambo babishohoze konka bakutambura script government nayo nari mu yakoreta yabahandikira biri edited konka ujya ngoze kutwara message fa wagitwara nkai nacho nchimataringa where are you taking that message, which is that message direct
to who
where that is going to receive it where nkai
don't forget when
wanyitegereza so these are the peace rugamba oraruga bakamujya ngo irokoze kuturebera umuntu wa Hansi Kasese akarugaha atabanya Kasese government enaremo ne bakunda munonga kandi umaya president Museveni nabakunda mbwenu kandi ababa bene bagira mu manyangu kunu yahakije yo rutaro mangu babatera amasasi abona bashemati bine mageze mutagaruka kubahurikiza hazo kare bo kubamwiruka hona nebitina n'amabare. Which message are you going to take where when what wanyitegereza nchimataringa nyoni cyo nukubena imbaniye nangu nanani yatimu yemuhabure only that. Not necessarily ngo umuntu nana mining about giving him money manyamuhe sente no nazaba zitari konka kunkubane banyeterera bakunyeterera ngoni ndya timu yawe ngashanga these mistakes are being made ikibanchi manisa ngo nanye kenyino rya timu yawe tindi mukarungi kona wanyitegereza